DART stands for the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, and the DART mission is to basically go hit an asteroid and see if we can move it. Earth is surrounded by small objects called near-Earth asteroids, and some of them are potentially hazardous. So planetary defense is cataloging, figuring out where all these objects are, but also trying to prevent them from hitting the Earth.
So far, we've only been able to predict the impact of 2 or 3 objects ahead of time. Those objects were small enough they burned up in the atmosphere and they were no danger to anyone. But what happens when an asteroid or any object is going to impact the Earth is that the Earth and that object want to be at the same place at the same time. We can't change the speed of the Earth, so the idea would be to change the speed of the impactor.
Now, we chose to do this demonstration at a binary asteroid. The main asteroid is called Didymos, and its moon. DART is actually targeted to the moon of the Didymos system. And that's a much smaller target than any spacecraft has ever managed to hit before.
This is the first mission to fly the next sea. There's the ROSA, the solar arrays, have an Italian CubeSat, but it's really all about smart navigation.
The DART starts out with the traditional mission design concepts where we use star trackers and optical navigation. This will be the first time that the spacecraft will autonomously guide to a target.
The narrow-angle camera will be used by the spacecraft to home in on the target and hit it. And then the CubeSat will fly past the target and it will return the data directly to Earth on its own.
The tough part about it is that we're guiding ourselves into the asteroid, we're taking pictures, and we're sending data back all at the same time. You know, Didymos is a system that is tightly locked together, so we're going to try to push on the little moon and try to push it away in such a way that it will change the orbit of the asteroid and it will move it.
Mostly what we're looking to do is change the speed of the incoming object by maybe a centimeter per second. So that's not very fast, but if you do it enough seconds in advance, you can cause it to miss the Earth entirely.
DART is actually the first planetary defense mission. This is a continuing series of missions for planetary defense. We had this unique opportunity to demonstrate the method and also to learn exactly what happens when you crash a spacecraft at high speed into an asteroid.